I hear a lot of people talk about they want to become their own CEOs and become their own bosses. But I don't hear a lot of people talk about motivation, right? Motivation, or some of the things that a CEO needs to be able to understand to be able to do well in their business. And in the cleaning business, man, if you're lazy, you're just not gonna do well. If you need other people to motivate you, you're just not gonna do well. Because the cleaning business is one of such businesses that not a lot of people consider you to be so important. Very few people. Let's be honest, right? Not a lot of people. COVID is not here, and I mean it's around, but you guys know what I mean. And because COVID is not as active as it used to be, not everybody is going to consider you so important. So as somebody that wants to go into business for yourself full time, you have to be able to overcome that spirit of laziness. And it is a thing, right? You have to be able to find ways and means where you can overcome that. The other thing that you need to be able to overcome is waiting on other people to motivate you. You have to motivate yourself. You have to determine when you will go to bed, when you will wake up. You have to determine what you need to do and what you don't need to do. And that is why I always advocate for people to have mentors and coaches, and also to be a part of a network of people who will be able to just, yes, you motivate yourself, but seeing and being around people who are excelling helps you to motivate yourself, right? Yesterday I was talking to my oldest son, and you know, we are helping him with, you know, improving his ability to read. And he didn't like to read a book over again. My wife and I were talking, and I called him and I was like, hey, what does practice help you do? And he says, practice makes perfect. And I said, no, practice makes you excellent, right? And why did I tell him that? I told him that because whatever that you keep on doing and doing again, you excel at it. You become excellent at it, right? So as a business owner, whatever that you are doing, the good things that you are doing that is good, you become excellent at it. So what are you doing that is excellent, right? What are you doing that is so critical to the well-being of your business, right? And two things that you must overcome to be able to be excellent are laziness and the ability to motivate yourself. Based on that, I want to invite you to our Clean Connection networking event. All you got to do is comment connection and you get the link. $15. We are in the Boston area. A bunch of us are going to meet together, and I am doing this with my friend Lakeisha from Grace Clean & Co. She's wonderful, and I think that if you come into this network of people, you will begin your journey of success by being excellent, by overcoming laziness, by learning the things that some of us have done that is helping us, and we can also learn from you. A wise man once told me, the day that you stop learning is the day that you are dead. And I don't plan to die anytime soon, so I'm going to keep learning. So I want to invite you to Clean Connection, August 22nd, 5:30 p.m. in Roxbury, Massachusetts. Also, it is Boston proper. And just pull up. It's on Eventbrite. So just comment connection and you get the link. You don't need to go look for the link. Comment connection and you get the link so that you can register and show up. All right, hurry up. The seats are filling up, and well, not seats, because it's a networking event, so we'll have many things doing, but hurry up. We are filling up to capacity and we want you to be there. All right, see you around.